Missing toddler Lonna Barton's mother pleaded guilty. She entered the pleas to child neglect and lying to police charges at the Duval County courthouse this morning. She's now expected to testify in the case against her boyfriend, Ebron. His trial scheduled to start Monday. First told you that Barton had reached an agreement with prosecutors yesterday afternoon. Channel 4's Heather Lee spoke with attorneys on both sides of the case about the plea, but we begin with Vic Vicolucci, who breaks down the charges against Lonna.
Bruce, this agreement had been in the works for quite some time now, and Lonna Barton made it official this morning. She got into the courtroom about 8:30 this morning, and she was gone by 8:45 a.m. And the judge made it very clear to her, just because she's pleading guilty, it doesn't mean he's giving her any special favors. In a jail jumpsuit and shackles, 26-year-old Lonna Barton walked into the courtroom to formally plead guilty. We told you it was going to happen yesterday afternoon. She pleaded guilty to these charges: felony child neglect and giving false information to law enforcement during an investigation. That one's a misdemeanor. Barton is supposed to be sentenced next month. She faces up to 5 years in prison. Now, Barton will not stand trial for these charges, but she is expected to testify in the state's case against her boyfriend, Ebron. His parents sat in the courtroom this morning watching quietly. Judge Mark Borrello made her take an oath that she would tell the truth about what happened with Lonzie's disappearance.
When the co-defendant called police to report the disappearance of that child, this defendant made false statements to the initial officer that she encountered as to her relationship to both the co-defendant and the child.
Prosecutor Rich Manti reminded the court that Barton has a history of lying and gave several false statements to investigators when the toddler first disappeared. Now, the judge scheduled Lonna Barton's sentencing hearing for February the 1st, but in the meantime, Ebron is due here at the Duval County Jail, Duval County Courthouse in about an hour and a half. He has a pretrial hearing. Remember, his trial is scheduled to start on Monday, but all of that could change because of these new developments. We will be in the courtroom, monitor those details, and let you know as soon as we find out that new information. For now, though, I'm going to toss it over to my colleague, Channel 4's Heather Lee, who spoke with Lonna Barton's attorneys as well as the prosecution team. Heather?
Well, Vic, Lonna's lawyer did say that the reason why she decided to plead guilty today was because she finally wanted to accept responsibility for her actions, and he couldn't go into detail about why she originally lied to police or the motivation behind her change of heart. But he did say that Barton is still grieving over not knowing where Lonzie is. He also commented on whether Barton is currently pregnant with Ebron's child. He said that is not true. There was a bit of confusion over Barton only pleading guilty to 2 of the 3 charges. According to the prosecution, the 2 child neglect charges would hold only 1 sentence. So therefore, she pleaded guilty to everything. Rich Manti says that's because there were 2 different theories.
Part of her agreement is that she will testify truthfully whether she's called by the state or the defense, and she's likely to be called by one or the other or both. So that's part of the agreement. She's going to get up there and tell the truth.
Given her history, how would you know it's the truth?
Well, she's going to be placed under oath to tell the truth under penalties of perjury, so it's up to her.
According to Barton's lawyer, it will be up to Judge Borrello to decide how long her sentence will be. The maximum is 5 years. The minimum is time already served. He says no matter what, she can expect to be a witness.
The first one was charged as a failure to provide supervision care and other things that are required. The second is failing to protect the child from someone else not supervising or treating or exposing the child to hazards.
Now, Barton will remain at the Duval County Jail until her next sentencing phase, which again is February 1st. For now, we're live. Heather Lee, Channel 4, the local station.